Social media content creation can be time-consuming, especially on top of everything else you have to do for your business. Luckily, Meta Business Suite can take the hassle out of managing and scheduling your Instagram content, freeing you up to focus on your business. In this video, we'll give you 2 step-by-step guides that can help you save time and streamline your Instagram posting process. Let's start with posts. Step 1. On the home screen or the Posts and Stories screen, click on Create Post. Step 2. Select your Instagram account in the Post To section. Step 3. In the Media section, select a captivating photo or video for your post. Step 4. Write a compelling caption in the text box. Step 5. In the Scheduling Options section, select the desired date and time for your post to be published. You can schedule your posts up to 90 days in advance. Step 6. Click the Schedule button, and you're done. To view your scheduled posts, simply click on the Schedule button on the Posts and Stories page. Now let's explore how you can create and schedule your stories in advance on Meta Business Suite. Step 1. From the home screen, navigate to the Posts and Stories section. Step 2. Click on Create Story. Step 3. Make sure your Instagram account is selected in the Share Story To section. Step 4. Click Add Media to upload a photo or video to your story. Step 5. Customize your story by cropping, adding text or stickers. Step 6. Preview how your story will appear on Instagram. Step 7. Click the blue arrow next to the Share Story button and select Schedule Story. Step 8. Select the desired date and time for your story to be published and click Save. Step 9. Click the Schedule Story button and you're all set. Remember to make the most of your content by setting aside dedicated time to create and schedule your posts regularly. That way, you'll always have fresh content ready to help you connect with your customers and build trust. Happy posting!